Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is Ole Saw Mill. You can see where the belt goes to the system that turns it, and then it just goes down there to cut these logs into planks, and they can move them around by hand. A lot of hard work involved in a sawmill like this, but these men, they didn't mind doing it. That blade took many a sharpening, but they still used them. I imagine many a house was built off of planks cut from this. As you can see there, then they go back and cut the live edges off of it. Of course, those live edges now are desired in some furniture we make. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.